right, in this video, I'll show you how you create click to WhatsApp ads and how you automatically message your leads after that ad, and even how you reply to your leads automatically after they have sent a message to you, as you see in this chat here, right? Like I said hi, then the AI replied to the lead immediately and actually set an appointment inside of the chat. And yeah, all this with you having to lift a finger. So the lead messages, you automatically reply as a business, as an AI. And all of this I'm going to show you in this video. Now first, head over to business.facebook.com and click on your business settings. Then click on WhatsApp accounts and select the WhatsApp account that is connected to your business manager and click on assign people and assign yourself as full control over that WhatsApp account so you can actually add it to your ad account. Click assign people. Now, as you can see here, I already connected a phone number to my WhatsApp business manager. Now, if you don't have that done yet, skip to the second part of this video. There's going to be timestamps in the description below where I exactly show how you can easily connect a phone number to WhatsApp and actually connect it to the WhatsApp business manager and also to the WhatsApp business API. That now sounds pretty complicated. It is actually not. It's just a form you have to fill out. And then that allows you to automatically send messages to the leads that message you with AI, for example, with Setter AI, what I'm going to show you in this video. So you can actually automatically message them while you are away, so you don't have to message them manually. So you will actually never miss out on a lead again. Now we have connected our number. So now we can actually go ahead and create the ad. So we're going to click on AdWords Manager and we're going to click on create a new campaign. And we want a lead campaign. So we're going to click on leads. And as you can see here, this allows us to run WhatsApp campaigns. Click continue. And we're going to choose manual setup. You can give us a name if you want to. And we can leave this all as it is, except if you have to declare some categories. And we are gonna click next. Now in this part, we will select WhatsApp because we want to generate leads by starting chats on WhatsApp. Now I have already connected my phone number, but if you click here the first time, this will pop up and just select your country code. And then input your phone number and then click continue, and then you will be able to connect your WhatsApp number. Now this should then look something like this. Also connect a Facebook page so that you can actually run ads. Now with the budget and schedule, we just leave it as it is. You can play around with that depending on how big your ads budget is. Obviously also the audience controls is about where your business is located. And I'm also going to leave this as it is, as I want Facebook to be able to have as many people as they can find to fit to my business. Now with placements, I want to actually choose my own placements. I do not want to be in the audience network. I also don't want to be in Messenger ads, and I do not want to be in these that I'm gonna uncheck here. I don't want to be in marketplace. I just want to be in like the prime spots. All right, let's click next. So we're now in the ad and we can set up our ad creative. The primary tags, let AI book your meetings on WhatsApp. It responds to leads instantly 24/7 with no vacations. Headline, chat with us, or try the free demo. Yeah, you can add here as many as you want. Call to action, send WhatsApp message. Next, upload the media that you want to use. Gonna crop this here, click next. Gonna skip this image variations, and we also only want maybe some music as enhancements. All right, click done. Now we got our creative. Let's actually do that here in big. Great, and now you can create a message template that will be pre-filled when the user opens WhatsApp. You can edit this. I'm gonna say here hi, try our AI appointment setter in this chat. I'm gonna say hi there, gonna click save. All right, and now we can go ahead and publish this campaign. Also add a payment method if you haven't yet. Awesome, and now our campaign is published and is processing, and as you can see, this is how your ad will look like. And this is how the destination will look like. And when people then click here, then the WhatsApp chat will open and they will automatically then receive immediate answers from your AI in 10 to 15 seconds, even if you're not on WhatsApp at the moment. And now the campaign has been running for a moment, and this is the backend of Setter AI. Here you can see all the chats that has been happening and been started from the Facebook ads. You can see the chats. You can even reply yourself manually if you want that. And yeah, exactly. That is the backend of the app where you can automatically reply to the ads that has been started on Facebook, the click to WhatsApp ads. And now back to the tutorial on how you set this up. And how you actually set up the AI setter, that part will follow right now, and also how you connect easily a new number to your WhatsApp business account if you don't have that connected yet. All right, thanks for watching and see you in part 2. To get started, go to Setter AI, Google Setter AI, or go to trysetter.com and click on Get Started. Then you will get to this onboarding mask. Just put your company URL here and it will automatically find your company information and your company name. Just click again on Continue. It will already summarize your products or services. You can, of course, edit this, and you can also edit FAQ questions. You can always come and edit this later inside the dashboard, so no worries about that. If that's not perfect already, just click on Continue and your AI appointment setter will already be trained for you in the background. Now, while we wait, we will, oh, it's already done in 1 second. Yeah, it's already done. Perfect. Now here, standardized, the chat widget is selected. Now you actually want to use WhatsApp, right? This is a standardized website chatbot that lives on your website. You want to have the people inside of WhatsApp so you can actually get their phone numbers, right? So you're going to click on More Integrations down here. And then you're gonna click on Go to Playground. Great. Now, once in a Playground, you can, of course, you can test your setter, but we are going to go over and integrate our WhatsApp account. Now, before we do that, we want to connect our Calendly account to be able to actually book us appointments into our calendar. So your WhatsApp chatbot will know your Calendly account. So click on Connect Calendly. And I've already connected my Calendly account here. Great, now let's head over to WhatsApp and click on Connect WhatsApp. So you will see this mask when you click on the WhatsApp integration. Now go ahead and click on Import Business Account Data, and it will ask you, do you already have a phone number for WhatsApp? Now, Meta treats every WhatsApp account with its own phone number. So you will need a new phone number for a AI that you want to put on WhatsApp. That cannot be your personal number. So just select if you have already like a spare phone number that is not connected to any WhatsApp account right now. If you don't have, then no problem. You can just purchase a phone number if you click on the No button. If you have one, perfect, just continue to Meta and just follow the 5-step process that will come up here. It will ask you to log in with your Facebook account, and it will just give you a 5-step process. Just select whatever business you want to use for the account, and then just verify your phone number with a quick SMS to that phone number. Great. Once you've done that, you will see that these fields will now contain values, for example, your phone number. And if you want to edit your AI setter, just go to Settings and go ahead and edit your prompt. Now, this prompt is already pretty optimized in order to book you more appointments. It has a script that is very much optimized for AI appointment setting. But of course, if you have a known really good script, just go ahead and change that and update that script. Now, there's one last step necessary in order to put this button on our website. Now you have your phone number, you have your setter created. Just go ahead and click on Create WhatsApp button on the left side here. And here you will get to our free WhatsApp button generator. Just change your name, whatever you want to have in that button. Just you can customize everything here. You can also customize the image. That image needs to be one that is already like live on your website, for example, and you have a URL for that image. So just put that in, for example, from your Webflow, WordPress, or whatever website. Just put that image in here. The image URL, put in your phone number, and you can also customize your first message and the pre-fill message, and then just click on generate button code, and yeah, just copy that code and put it into your website code somewhere in your website code, for example in the header or in the body section, and then that button including your phone number will appear on your website, and when people click on it, it will open WhatsApp, and then they will start chatting with the with your created setter, and then you will see all of your conversations actually inside the conversations tab, and you will see the phone numbers as well in there, so you can actually collect phone numbers because they will all be saved inside of the conversations tab. I'm not going to click on there right now because there's a lot of customer phone numbers. But exactly, thank you for watching this video, and click below the first link to get started with this. And if you have any questions, just shoot us an email or book an appointment.